Scotty,
Yes,
man,
sir.
I'm so glad to have you on here this afternoon real quick. You just came through our 5-day, 5-seller challenge with REI Results. What's been your experience?
2 contracts in 1 hour. That's
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. Wait, say that again?
2 contracts in 1 hour is
Holy
my
cow.
epic results.
And how long have you been doing real estate, Scotty?
I've been looking at real estate off and on through, 10 years maybe. Never really tried. I had the Carlton Sheets system. I'm sorry if I've mentioned it. Of course, I'm not supposed to mention. But I had that big old book, bunch of tapes, videos, and stuff like that. It was just way.
Pretenders, right?
Yeah. You know, and I'd done some other stuff, some short sales stuff, and really didn't get into it. It was just a lost cause. But this was a blessing. This was a blessing. I needed this. The process. I trust the process. Got the REI results that I'm supposed to get in a matter of minutes. Hour. But nothing was more satisfied in getting these 2 contracts. It was easy. I followed everything you said to do. I didn't do anything else. I didn't deviate from the plan. I took notes. I did what you said do.
I love that. And I love that you said REI Results, not REI Regrets. So you tried 2 or 3 or 4 other programs out there and just never seen any progression, never seen any progress. And it's not that you weren't taking action, because you were. You took action on this just like you would have that. And unless, what was it? You were on day 3?
Day 3.
Day 3, you did exactly what we said. And day 4, before we went to the next video, you already had 2 leads within an hour, and you had them under contract.
I'm on a contract. Matter of fact, just got through talking to one of the sellers, and we were just finalizing the closing date. Stand to make some pretty decent money on this, and God knows I needed it.
If you had to guess, what does that look like? If the 2 contracts total, what do you stand to make on these 2 deals?
Between 20 and 25,000.
20 to 25,000 with about 5 minutes worth of work on the front end and maybe 15 to 20 on the back end. Just trusting the process.
Just trusting the process, man. And that's epic enough. It's trusting the process, trusting the process, trusting the process. If you can't.
Hey, Scotty, did I send you out there driving for dollars?
Nope. No driving for dollars.
Did I send you out there knocking on doors?
Nope. No.
Did you go out there cold calling list?
No.
Hey, Scotty.
Yes, sir.
Who's a pretender? Those people, right? All those other people. Who's a contender?
Yeah, we are. The RE Results is the contender. That's the real deal, Holyfield. Yes, sir.
I love it. Just out of curiosity, one last question, and I'll let you get back to grinding and making some money. Mm-hmm. If somebody was watching this video right now and they wanted the results that you're receiving and they're just not sure where to go or what to do, what would you tell them?
I'll tell them to come try the 5-day challenge. Go there with the intent to listen and learn. Take notes. Don't just watch it. Take notes. If there's something you don't agree with, message Bryce. He'll answer you. You have been there the whole time. You have never not pushed me off. You never pushed me onto a assistant or anything. You answer the questions personally, whether it's at 5 o'clock in the morning. I think I've talked to you late as 10:30 at night. You might have been going to bed or something, but you always answered my questions. It was just simple questions or the most difficult questions. You were there. Can't say that for those gurus, those pretenders, those guys that never have worked a real estate investment deal. Can't say that. Yes, sir. Trust the process.